the Supreme Lord, He is called in the Vedic literature that He is the Supreme Leader. Nitya Nityanam Chetana Chetananam. Nitya means eternal. And Nityana, that means many other eternals. We are many other eternals. Eka, that one eternal. Eka Bahuna Vidadhati Kaman. There are two kinds of eternals. We living entities, we are also eternal. And the Supreme Lord, He is also eternal. So far eternity is concerned, both of us equally on the qualitative nature. He is eternal and we are eternal. Satchidananda Vigraha. He is also all pleasure and we are also all pleasure. Because we are all parts and parcel of the same quality. So, but He is the leader.